RV Captain America here. I'm here to tell you guys that I'm here to save you on pricing for coaches and make sure you make the right decision with the right integrity behind it. Anyway, I am back again to talk about a Newmar Baystar today, another one, and this is the 3401, 34-foot coach, 24,000-pound chassis. This coach is sitting on 22.5-inch wheels, and it's, again, the Newmar residential quality construction motorhome. Sidewalls are 16 inches on center. The sidewalls are 3 inches in width. The sidewalls are also 3 inches in width. That's a lot of batten insulation you can put inside of this coach. So tucked inside the sidewalls, the roof, the flooring, all that insulation, when you get to those cold climates, you're gonna feel real nice in about 3.5 minutes once you cut on that AC. Now the paint I wanna point out on this coach is all custom. Each paint palette on this coach was custom picked for this specific floor plan. What that means to you guys is when you get to the park, there's not going to be very many Newmar Baystar 3401s that look exactly like yours, customized for your taste. Let's head inside. This coach just gets exceptionally better as we walk through inside and look at all the components. It is on the V8, so we're on that 468-pound torque, 350 horsepower motor. All that excitement driving behind the wheel. Let's check it out. So as you walk into the Baystar, you see very comforting light colors on this coach. Lots of windows, starting with the cockpit area. Starting from the left, you have your equalizer hydraulic jack system. This is the same jack system that we use on our Newmar Ventana diesel line as well. So bringing this jack system over to the Baystars was quite the upgrade. Panning over to the front side digital dash, this is the new setup you're going to get with the new Ford chassis. Engineered for quality. A blue light does display all the gauges once the coach is turned on. Panning a little further to the right, the Voyager display is your rear camera and your side view camera access. Below that is where you're going to have your Rand McNally navigation, as well as all your features for your CD players, Bluetooth, anything electronic displayed wise will be on this screen, including the navigation card input for the Rand McNally. And to the right, in your co-pilot chair, you have your table that is fold and retractable to the right, and once you actually pull the table out, you can put it over your legs, use it for a setup for your laptop, or any kind of quick lunch you want to have. Looking at your Newmar kitchen setup, you have the two stainless steel square tubs. To the right, your 3-burner cooktop, and above that, your Whirlpool convection microwave. Opposing your kitchen is your booth dinette with the Corian table drop down. If you have some young rugrats that are going to be staying with you guys, this is a perfect extra sleeping space for the kids. To the left of your dinette is your full-size residential couch with sleeper option. Couch folds forward and allows 2 full-size adults to sleep comfortably on this mattress. In front of your sleeper residential couch, you have your Whirlpool 2-door residential refrigerator. Directly to the right of the residential refrigerator, you have your full-size Samsung 50-inch television with subwoofer. Below the soundbar, you have your electric fireplace that you can use for radiant heat, or you can use just the lights for the ambiance. Heading down the galley midship here, to the left is your full-size bathroom, square-cut diamond shower, standard residential sink with mirror, cabinetry, plenty of medicine cabinet space, and to the left, corner-set porcelain toilet. Back in the galley space, across from the bathroom, is your sliding mirrored doors for extra storage space for hanging clothes. Stepping into the residential sleeping quarters, you see immediately the large rear coach big bay window. This is a perfect ambiance when you're set at the lake to be able to have the sunshine come and glimmer in with windows set on each side of the coach. This is a king-size bed, opposing further cabinet space for clothes, and your television that is a smart TV as well with a DVD player. Taking a view from the back area of your residential bedroom down the coach galley space, you can see that at 34 feet, this is quite the amenity space for living in an RV, or just enjoying a day at the lake. So, did you have fun? I did. So I got an incentive for you. If you guys reach out and ask for me, you buy this coach, my store is already going to give you half a tank of fuel. If you buy this coach from me, I'm going to fill up that other half. Alright guys, talk to you soon. Thanks.